Okay, heads up. I just want to warn our viewers that the next video may be hard to watch. Here we go. A man gets sucker punched by a complete stranger at a mall in New York City. The guy was knocked out cold in what seems to be a completely random attack. See a lot of it. Crime like that causing a lot of people, they want to protect themselves, obviously. Grady Trimble reports from a pepper spray factory in Missouri where sales are surging. Grady, my question is, can just anyone buy pepper spray?
Stu, there are different rules and restrictions state by state, but yes, pepper spray is legal in all 50 states, and people in increasing numbers are turning to it because it's a non-lethal form of self-defense amid this surge in crime. David Nance is the CEO of SABRE, the largest maker. That you have 70% of the market share here in the U.S., and you have just seen sales skyrocket because of this surge in crime.
We have. The last 2 years were very significant, to the point where we had trucks lining up to get our products because people were so concerned about their safety, and they came to us to provide them with a safety plan and products to increase the safety of themselves and their families.
You provide to police departments all across the country, Chicago, New York, but you also are a big seller to consumers at sporting goods stores like Dick's.
Mass merchant retailers, Walmart, yes sir.
Who's buying it?
So oftentimes protectors, which are parents of people that are in their college students up to people in their 40s, because they're concerned about the safety of their loved ones when they're off at school or they move to a new city. And now you're seeing, though, those younger people buying them for themselves because they're concerned. Recent study, 75% of young people 25 to 35 feel they're in imminent danger at least one time per day, according to one poll.
And while we talk, Stu, I'm going to demo this product for you. I've never actually sprayed pepper spray before, so this will be my first time. I've been fortunate. Oh, there you go. Holy
It flips upside down, too. Turns in any angle. That's
so
our crossfire.
This would be like what police use, right?
Or consumers can get that as well, too. Exactly.
And then this is for home self-defense. Stu, I'll end with this. This is if you want to protect your house. Not a bad shot for someone who has never used this before. Stu?
Was that a pepper gun, that orange thing that you just used? Was that?
Yeah, exactly. It has pepper projectiles in it, so if an intruder comes into your home, you can have this by the bedside, I guess, and be ready.
Yeah, okay. We get the message, Grady, loud and clear. Thank you very much, sir. Good story.